Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the airplane mode on your NUBIA Air. So if you want to turn on an airplane mode on your NUBIA, that's pretty simple to turn on. So to do it, just open up your quick settings panel right here. So swipe down from the upper part of your phone and then again, and as you can see here, airplane mode. So basically it comes from factory like this. The airplane mode is the first button right here, so just click on it to turn it on, wait few seconds, and that's how you know your airplane mode is on. You'll see an airplane near the battery percentage. So that's how you turn it on, and to turn it off just click the same button again. And when the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on and the airplane icon is gone from here, that's how you know it's off. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.